Cop. E92 is undefeated though. I mean, it's definitely the best sounding car in this group. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us back in my BMW M4 G82. Today we're heading to a nice BMW M Town car meet. The boy Mark sent us a nice invitation to show our G82 M4 at his first ever proper car event. After the meet, we're gonna go on a nice private M cruise as well with all the M cars at the meet. So the amount of cars in today's video we're gonna be seeing at the meet and on the road should be pretty nice. So with that being said, we're a couple minutes away from the meet. Let's go ahead and pull up, park up, and see what this meet's all about. Got the M4 parked up looking super good next to a G87 M2. It's a nice group of M cars, nice E92 M3 lowered on apexes, big wing on it, big diffuser. Look at this GT3 MR. I think speed yellow on this, BBS wheels as well. Looks super clean. Oh, I like that a lot. Then we see Nappy M3s, beautiful F80 M3. Last time we seen this car looked exactly the same, but I don't think it had the cage, or maybe it didn't have the wing as well. I also have another E92 M3. Love the carbon fiber wing on this one. I think this is the same one from the GTS, the E92 over in Europe. So nice to see this one BBS wheels as well. Nice Lotus Emira here too. But behind this is a basketball court, so we got people out here hooping too, so it's a nice vibe. Obviously F82, nice E46 as well, and then we have an F82 right there. Ooh. Some more of the cars that are inside. We are very familiar with this one. We drove this one. This is Kevin's E92 M3. It's got full exhaust on it, Gintani tune, but it's Lime Rock Park edition, so special edition, very limited as well. Then over here is a very nice E92 M3. It's got carbon fiber in the engine bay, even cherry intake, the plenum, full carbon, looks really good. But then also I haven't seen this fender kit for it as well. Then on the interior, you've got the baby seat in the back, and F80 M3 seats on the interiors. Well, I think it goes really well on the E92. I haven't really seen that before. Shout out to the boy Mark. This is actually his event. See his F80 M3 is right here. He actually wrapped the car. Last time we saw it, it was yellow. Looks really good in black. It's got the ski box wrapped as well. And this is nice too. GT3 RS. Wow, I love this generation. First generation GT3 RS. Just classic. Big wing on it. But before we continue on with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is Gentle Bands. Gentle Bands is known for taking unconventional and sustainably harvested materials and turning them into beautiful rings. And they just sent us one of their newest and most popular rings, and this one is called the Genesis, made of titanium and 18 karat gold. I think it looks really good with that brushed metal stripe along the middle and that shiny gold lining on the edges. But what I think is awesome about their rings is not only do they have materials like titanium and 18 karat gold, they even use materials from retired spacecrafts, ancient meteorites, even dinosaur fossils, and more. And I am absolutely in love with how this ring looks inside of my BMW M4, especially on our Carbontastic steering wheel. It's super comfortable in the hand, especially for long drives. What's even better is it comes with an additional option, which is a chain, which you can get in a few different colors and styles. It's always nice to have the chain on you, so that way you can still wear it across your neck in a more secure fashion, whether it be concerts or whilst you're traveling through the airports and stuff like that. And the best part is Gentle Bands is doing a giveaway for you guys, and all you have to do is leave a comment in the comment section below saying reimagined ring, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. And separate from the giveaway itself, if you use the code BEAMER at checkout at gentlebands.com, you get 25% off. So if I were you, I would go ahead and click those links in the description, see if there's anything you'd like for yourself or a loved one. And with that being said, let's go ahead and continue on with today's POV drive. Got more cars pulling in too. A nice blue R8. Look at the wing on this. Nice LED bar across the top on the wing. Got a brake light down there as well. BBS wheels. Very nice. It's the F82 M4 right here in red. A lot of stuff done on the engine. Intakes, carbon struts. Man, this place is a real nice studio. Who designed it? I really appreciate all the time it took to design something this cool. It's nice. All the lights down here too. So I guess what this place is known for is making custom shoes that sell north of $10,000. But you can make them fully custom here at the shop. Any kind of materials you want, leathers, fabrics, all that kind of stuff they have here, which is pretty cool to see up close in person. It would definitely be kind of cool to spec one out from bone scratch like this. I mean, this one's camoed out. You got gold right here. They got the matching lights to match the color of thread that go on the wall. So blues, purples, etc. So we stepped outside the venue real quick. You see Nick's car out front looking good, man. It's got a nice F90 M5 competition here as well. But these three cars are real nice. I believe Xavier Wolf on the F80 M3 and M2. They have like a Japanese kind of livery on the car, Akira style. But this M2 has a very nice livery on it. Love the color scheme on it. It's got Vorsteiner kit. But look at the wheels, the white BBS wheels on it. Looks absolutely amazing. It's got like a carbon hood, fenders, the whole body kit is top tier. I really like the setup on this car. Got more cars pulling in as well. F80 M3 looking super good. Then we have another F82 M4, all black. Yellow DRLs, straight popping out here. But man, I just love this M2. Obviously this car, as you guys know, hasn't really grown on me yet. But this kit in particular, I think looks really nice. It appears to be widened on the fenders. I'm not sure if the front bumper is different as well. Maybe not, but the hood is definitely different. It looks like an accident just happened out here. That's very unfortunate. Got the F90 out here, son. Man. Yo, that sounds really good. Oh, there it go, there it go. Yeah. Nice. Sick. They want you to rev it. Oh, cop. Bro, the wing on that E92 is crazy. Bro, this is probably my favorite car here though. It's got a body kit. It's an MR GT399 1.2. The night is coming to an end. Everybody's starting the cars up. It's time to exfil this location, man. This F82 looks so good. It's got the underglow on there too. It's like big time midnight club vibes here tonight. This is a nice CS though. I like the wing on it. It's Vorsteiner wing. And now everybody out here hooping. Damn. See? The back of the Lotus, man, it's looking crazy with those BBS wheels. Sound good too. I really do like that exhaust. Very good looking car. These are manuals. Got a supercharged V6 as well. Now here's a very raw and fun car to drive. It also looks kind of like a Ferrari. So as you guys can see, we are on the road. It feels good to be back in a group of M cars. I don't think we've seen this many M cars on the channel in months. It's looking good. So we have Matt Black G80 in front of us. Got the M2. We got Sebastian, his F80. He just threw new wheels on that. A lot of cars in today's drive. Look at the site right now. We got downtown LA, cars like these. I miss this. It's been a while since we've done stuff like this at night. Oh my God. Bro, the E92 is just one of the best sounding cars of all time. E92 is undefeated though. I mean, it's definitely the best sounding car in this group. Look at the sight, boys. We got a lot of colors too. We got blue, oranges, purples, reds. Damn, man.
Eric, did you come with the app for Chevron?
Nah.
Save $1 a gallon.
For real?
For the first 3 Phillips.
Damn, okay, bet. I'm about to do that.
Download it.
Okay, I'm gonna download it.
You can save about like $20.
I'm gonna do that. Man, I gotta say, I'm so happy with how the M4 has turned out. Just look at the front grills on that. Jeez. Got the block hot. Man, look at it sat here, man. We've done a lot of work to this car. Fenders, the rear flares, the wheels. I mean, just the whole build is going along so nicely, especially with the white interior. Super happy with how it's turned out. But we can kind of walk around, see some of the cars here. This F82 M4 CS is beautiful. It's got the orange, dark orange DRLs. Obviously the F10 M5 is nice. But Daniel's car, we didn't really get to fully see this car. It looks so good in this Daytona violet purple. It's got the HRE wheels on it as well. Obviously bucket interior, red carbon fiber buckets. Looks so good, man. And he also has the M Performance exhaust, the center exit, and he's got the nice auto show style license plates as well. This is nice too. Yas Marina, I believe it's a manual as well. White interior, looks really good. And you can't go wrong with Kevin's car. I mean, this thing is sounding nasty. Obviously, we had the pleasure of driving this thing as well. Love this car. Definitely the best sounding car here, without a doubt. Looks so good. I feel bad though, because my car is not clean. Everybody's car here is so clean. M2's nice. Sebastian's car here too though. I don't know what exhaust he did, like, because the last time I saw this car, it's pretty much stock. Now he's got wheels, he's got an exhaust on it, he's even got a steering wheel on there too. Super nice setup on this. But then you can see Nick's car as well. This also sounds different, so I wonder if he tuned this thing. Looks really good though, man. The wheels on it, full pack. And obviously this one is also a manual as well, so it's nice to see this out here. The mods come together real well. Clear tails as well. It's looking good. I like that a lot. So you guys gotta let me know which one is your favorite car out of this drivers group here tonight. It's tough, man. We got a lot of cool cars. But we're gonna go ahead and hop back inside the M4, get back on the road. Look at all these cars, man. This is just a great group. It would have been nice to see some kind of X6M or some kind of SUV M build here tonight. Or maybe on the next drive. Look at this. So we got split. Tends to happen to the best of us though. Someone just yelled Beemer boys. Bro, this car moves, man, especially with the wider wheels and the lower suspension. It just stays hugged to the ground. Man, got the M4 parked up at the final destination, looking absolutely incredible. You can see some of the boys parked up here too, the F82, the G87, more and more M's parking up over there. We're gonna end tonight's video here at the In-N-Out Burger. You can't go wrong on a nice Saturday night with the boys. And see, they got the F90 M5 out here parked front and center. Also old school right here. This is very nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.